Hello and welcome back to the Tilted Crown Gourmet. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to be baking. We're going to be baking gluten-free peanut butter cookies. Not just any gluten-free peanut butter cookie, but the best gluten-free peanut butter cookies that you've ever had. And what's even better, 3 ingredients. That's right, it only has 3 ingredients. So I wanted to do one video before I started heading out on a trip where I'll be introducing my new channel, the Tilted Crown Gourmet Travels. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, let's get some prep done and let's get baking. The prep on these cookies is super easy, as there are only 3 ingredients. 4 if you decide to add the flake salt as I did. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add your peanut butter, sugar, and egg to a bowl and mix until incorporated. Line your baking sheets with parchment paper. Portion out your dough. I've used a tablespoon ice cream style scoop so that I have consistent sized cookies that cook evenly, but you can also use 2 spoons. Use a fork to make a crosshatch pattern on top of your cookies. Sprinkle with flake salt if desired. I find this helps to balance the cookie, adding a little saltiness to the sweet as well as a nice crunch. Place your cookies into a preheated oven for 12 minutes. Once that time has elapsed, take your cookies out, allow them to cool on the cookie sheet for 2 minutes. Now you'll place them on cooling racks and allow to cool. Plate them, serve them, and enjoy. Bon appetit. Over 80% of my watchers are not subscribed, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video as it helps the YouTube algorithm. Also, stay tuned for my new channel coming soon, the Tilted Crown Gourmet Travels.